everyone. So today what we want to do is take our brainstorming assignment and apply it to the draft of our reflective essay. So I'm on our Schoology page in week 3 and I've already completed my reflective essay brainstorming assignment. Now I want to move on to the reflective essay. So once you click on that, it will bring you to a page similar to this. Everyone has been assigned the Google Doc. So you'll just need to open that up, and this is what the Google Doc looks like. So you'll want to go up here and you will want to adjust, so put in your first and last name. I realize that because everyone has a document, some people have been skipping this. Please make sure that you make this adjustment, okay? Then I've tentatively titled your document Reflective Essay. We will change that title later on to tailor it to your essay. Then your paragraphs should be indented just like this one is. So I had put my cursor down here and I hit the tab button to indent. I've also set the document up to be double spaced, size 12 font in Arial font as well. Please do not change that. Additionally, do not put an extra space between this paragraph and the second paragraph. You just need to hit enter once and then the tab button for the next paragraph. The essay length is based on word count, not on page number. So the last thing I want to talk about is adding in the word count at the end of your essay. To do this, you are going to highlight the text that you have typed. So I'll do that now. Oops. Okay, so you will highlight all of the text. Then you will go up to Tools, click on Tools, and click on Word Count. It's the second one down. Now, once we come here, you will want to, it gives you the page numbers, it gives you the words, the characters. So how many letters have you typed and spaces? We just need the words. So you'll notice that right here it says 94 of 113. That means that I have highlighted 94 words. That's what you want, the highlighted part, because that is your text. That's the word count we're looking for. So then you would hit OK once you have that number. All right, and then you would scroll down here. And I just put a picture of what this looks like again. And I would just put at the very bottom word count 94 once I am completely done. Now, when we do editing, obviously we'll be making changes, so we will need to update that once we have finalized our essay. Okay, so please make sure that you have a draft ready to go for class on Monday, no matter how rough it is. Good luck, everyone.